My name is Matthias, and this is my story of October 29th, 2015. Boy, is it a windy day today. It's supposed to be windier tomorrow? Yeah. Wow. Really, really windy, at least for LA. But today we're going to go pick up J. Fred from the airport because he is on his way back from Idaho. Haven't seen him in like a week. What? What are you doing?
Not her.
What are you listening to?
I'm listening to Tall Heights.
Oh, this is the song that was on Ben Brown's video, Visual Vibes. Very cool.
It's been stuck in my head all day, and I'm listening to it all day, so.
We've been kind of actually stuck at home the past couple of days because I've been waiting on a shipment from LG, something that I'm super excited about. It's going to be a sponsored video on this channel, but they're sending us a TV. A giant TV, and it doesn't even fit in our apartment, but as you guys know, we're moving. So I said yes, because who doesn't want a giant 4K TV? 4K, I'm like the luckiest geek in the world. But we're gonna have to like move these shelves and everything like this because it doesn't even fit here. It's just gonna be crazy. You guys are gonna see that very soon. I'm super excited to show you guys, and Amanda and I are gonna have like a movie night in. We're probably gonna watch maybe like Harry Potter or James Bond or something like that. Next week we're going to a screening for Spectre, which I'm super excited about as well.
I'm more excited! And the movie poster, there's like a Dia de los Muertos skull in the background for the bad guy.
Yeah.
So that's really interesting because they haven't mentioned who or what the bad guy is gonna be.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
Looks like you got some snacks there. What is this? Not beer, is it?
I'm not driving.
No.
I'm kidding. No, it's a Zevia.
That's a Zevia.
We gotta put it in the cozy to keep it cold.
Look at the mess the wind just made a huge mess.
It's fall.
J. Fred's flight gets in at the most inopportune time in LA. His flight lands at 4:50, meaning we have to pick him up around 5:10, which many of you that are in LA, you know, that is rush hour. If you live in LA, rush hour can tend to dictate your life. Sometimes our entire day is planned around traffic. We are currently going the opposite way of traffic. And look at all this garbage on the road. Come on, California, get with it.
It's near the end where you take a left.
Okay, well we're turning in now.
Okay, later.
All right, cool. If there was no traffic in LA, it would take us 35 minutes to get to LAX. It took us an hour and 20. Allegiant 3. Okay, I'm circling back around right now. I got a stop sign here, and then I'm coming back around. There he is. There he is. All right, how's your flight?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Cool. Let's, does that fit?
There you go.
All right, let's do this. You want to see a movie or food? Thanks for saving us a seat, J. Fred. Can we get a hamburger? Would you like onion? No onions, okay? We decided to pass on the movie and brave the freeway. ETA 1 hour and 55 minutes. Luckily, the drive goes a lot faster when you have someone to share it with. All right, dude.
Thanks for picking me up from the airport. You're the best brother ever.
That's what I wanted to see. Here.
What?
I wanted to hear that. All right, now get the heck out of here.
Wait!
Don't put your mother on when she's sick. Come on.
Are you still there?
Do that.
right, well, bye, guys.
I'm
See
sick.
you guys later.
I'm sad.
Come by when she's not sick.
Okay, we'll come by when she's not sick. My mom's sick right now. That's why she didn't want to be on camera. Actually, she never wants to be on camera. It was funny because we were on the way to picking up J. Fred from the airport, and it was really interesting because I was like, man, my dad drives so much. And I was thinking, I want to calculate how much of his life he spent driving, just out of curiosity. And I calculated he's been doing it for like 30, 35 years. So I'm calculating that he spent somewhere around 2 to 3 years of his life driving. That's insane. That's insane.
Yeah.
Man, thank you. Thank you for that, Dad. That's awfully nice of you. Your eyes are moving. Stop moving your eyes. Stop.